New at 10 tonight, a Bay Area Congresswoman has introduced a bill that would create an independent immigration court system, taking out from under the Justice Department and Attorney General.
KTVU's Jana Katsuyama joining us now from our newsroom with the details on how this would work and reaction to the proposal. Jana?
Alex and Julie, South Bay Congresswoman Zoe Lofgren says the American Bar Association is just one of many groups that proposed this idea 10 years ago. She says an independent immigration court system could be more efficient and more fair instead of being under the Attorney General, who is a political appointee. Berto Hernandez says he's been in the U.S. since he was 10 years old. He's an immigrant youth advocate and says he was picked up by ICE in Southern California in 2019. For 2 years, he's been wearing an ankle bracelet, waiting for U.S. immigration courts to process his case.
It's crazy that I was released in 2019 and I have only been to court once. The backlog, it's so monumental.
A historically high backlog, now topping 1 million, has pushed the system to the brink.
South Bay Congresswoman Zoe Lofgren, seen here at a 2020 Judiciary Committee hearing, says now is the time to take action. She introduced a bill to create an independent immigration court system to handle trials and appeals. The Real Courts Rule of Law Act would remove immigration courts from under the Justice Department and the Attorney General, who is a political appointee. Lofgren says that would make the process more consistent and fair.
You don't want politicians going in and making the decisions when it should be a judicial decision.
Under Lofgren's bill, immigration judges would serve for limited terms and be able to control their own calendars, which she says they can't do now, often leading to costly delays.
Getting something heard and decided efficiently is cost effective.
Law experts say the Constitution does allow for courts to be established through Article 1.
In an Article 1 court, the president does not have to make the appointments. They can be made in some other way. They are not for life. They are for a term.
UC Hastings law professor David Levine says other Article 1 court systems already exist in the U.S.
We do have several that are like that. Bankruptcy court is like that, and the tax court is like that. It's a way for taxpayers to challenge if the IRS says that they owe.
Making such a transition, however, he says, would need ample funding and time to handle the backlog of immigration cases.
You would expect that there would be growing pains with something like this. So it would need adequate resources. You would need to worry about the transition. You would have to allow for some hiccups.
And immigration has been a divisive political issue, but Lofgren says she has talked to some Republicans who've expressed interest in the idea, and she is talking now with members of the Senate about drafting a companion bill. Alex?
All right, we'll see where this goes. Jana Katsuyama, live in the newsroom tonight. Jana, thank you.